What is the difference between Bholenath and Mahakal? They're both very different versions.
I
That
told
part.
you now, contradictions.
Yeah,
Mahakal, in some ways, because Kal as a word is used for time and for death, right?
correct.
Uh, Someone who is the great lord of time essentially then understands everything,
Hmm.
right? Uh, Knows everything, and that means that he has all power. But if you have all power and if you pick any side that these are my people, these are not my people, is that good or bad for the universe? You know,
Hmm.
an all-powerful person uh,
Should not pick sides.
takes sides,
Yeah.
right? Um, and maybe that's why it's ideal that it's merged with the conception of Bholenath. Uh, he's not Bhola in his mind; he's Bhola in his heart. Right?
What's the difference between both? In
In
for
your
all
mind, as
practical
in you
purposes.
understand deeply everything. You're the source of the Vedas, you're the source of yoga, but your heart is simple. You don't really desire anything. You don't really want to manipulate anything because actually there's nothing that you want. At the end of the day, you just want to do your meditation. You're a Bairagi.
Hmm.
Um, and to me, that is a wonderful role model to have. If you can have a clean heart,
Yeah.
but not a clean mind, your mind should be powerful. Uh, but if you have a powerful mind and an unclean heart, that's a damn,
That's
that's
a
Ravan.
disastrous, yeah.
That's Ravan.
That's Ravan.
That's
That's
Ravan,
Ravan.
actually.
Yeah.
Because your powerful capabilities can be used to hurt others.
Then that's just destructive, not transformative.
And
Yeah.
if you have a weak mind and an unclean heart, you're a disaster for yourself,
100%.
right?
Yeah.
Uh, Regrettably, this last combination seems to be a lot more common in today's day,
That's true.
and people hurt themselves with this silliness.
Yeah.
Uh, I know it sounds like ये तो भोला है. I'm telling you, there's probably a life skill out there of keeping your heart just clean, not wanting too many things in life. If you succeed, great. If you don't, no problem. You're just doing something because you love doing it.
Hmm.
Because life is tough. It's the way life is supposed to be. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
It's
not
supposed to
easy
be
for anyone.
educative, not
Yeah,
easy.
and you learn. I mean, you either and my late brother-in-law used to say this beautifully. You either win or you learn,
Yeah.
and you learn largely through your failures.
Hmm.
Uh, and
Javed
if
Saab also said this. He said, क्यों
uh,
सोचे कि क्या होगा कामयाबी नहीं तो तजुर्बा
तजुर्बा
होगा.
होगा,
Hmm.
and failure actually teaches you many more things than winning can.
Yeah.
And winning, if you get addicted to it, can actually usually mess up your life. If winning is just something, I won, now move on,
Hmm.
right? Um, then victory can be a very dangerous mistress.
That's
Uh,
a very fascinating way to put
uh,
it.
if you can keep your heart bhola enough, so yeah, I won, which I should have worked hard towards. Now I won. Now move on. What's the next
Hmm.
thing? Uh, your life will probably be a lot easier.